Action.
Thank the Lord they live.
I think the objective is to create images, both still images and video images, that can be used in teaching about the Book of Mormon, introducing the Book of Mormon to people, helping people feel the power that there is in the message in the Book of Mormon.
This project has really brought the scriptures more to life. These events happen to real people. They went through these real hard times, real challenges, real experiences. It's just fantastic to see it all come together, to see the crew working so hard, the cast performing so well. There's just a lot of passion and love for the project, for the book.
It's like living the life of somebody we always read about and being able to partake in what he's thought and what he's felt and what he's seen.
We're creating something that's so special for so many people and something that I've read about since I was a little girl, and now finally I can make it come to life and make it real.
I've learned so much more about Lehi, and I've taken him for granted forever. And now he's probably one of my most favorite prophets because of what he had to go through.
Everybody does their job to the best that they can, but there's just an extra portion, an extra spirit of teamwork that exists. Yes, it gets crazy. Yes, we're dealing with the elements. But in the face of it all, there is that spiritual aspect that we're all collectively bringing our talents together to make this happen because we love the Book of Mormon.
Looking at him like nothing's happening.